Hi, I'm Nico from Japan. I'm visiting Hagi City, Yamaguchi today. The undeniable historical significance of Hagi results from it being the location of the Shokason-juke private school, which was presided over Shoin Yoshida in 1857 as a young, rebellious Edo-era scholar, academic, philosopher, and military strategist. And many of his revolutionary educational doctrines still live on us with us today. Shoin Yoshida operated the school for only about 2 years, while effectively being held captive under virtual house arrest as punishment for his earlier subversive activities and misdemeanors, hence so-called confinement room. Nevertheless, his inclusive scholastic methodology has since produced 92 distinguished students, including such alumni as Hirobumi Ito, who became the first Prime Minister of Japan, and Shinsaku Takasugi. His original doctrines remain highly praised even now. They were devised to bring out the strengths of every student, irrespective of their academic prowess, whilst also identifying any perceived weaknesses and turning them to positive use. His methodology involved sitting side by side with his students in order to listen, observe, instill confidence, and enhance their learning abilities. Above all else, he valued awareness and discovery achieved through the process of conversation involving free exchange of thoughts and ideas. I headed to the Meirinkan, which is a domain school established during the Edo period by daimyo, Japanese territorial lord. It's reputed one of the best 3 schools in Japan. There are many notable graduate students such as Shoin Yoshida. I thought this would be a good opportunity for me to enact my missed vocation as one of life's great teachers. Unfortunately, I immediately became a subject of traditional schoolboy jape by a student who clearly thought the right of my ambitions. But at least I presented me with the chance to severely admonish him for such disrespectful behavior, which had caused my initial shock and embarrassment. It ended up with laughter though.
Difficult? I don't know. Easy? No, difficult.
I'm at the Shokason-juke temple in Shimonoseki City, Yamaguchi. As you can see, it just finished raining. This is the place where Shinsaku Takasugi formed an irregular militia of 80 in order to rise up, fight and defeat shogunate army of 2,000 men. It should be said that there was also a strong connection between Takasugi and Yoshida Shoin, because Takasugi had developed his progressive military skills and strategies while studying at the Shokason-juke, the famous private school of his friend and teacher Yoshida Shoin, which I mentioned at the beginning of this video. Shinsaku was regarded as perhaps one of the best and brightest of military tacticians, and it is said that he played a major role in assisting the restoration of the Meiji. He was a master, swordsman, and equestrian. He was sometimes known to have sung Nagauta and played shamisen. By all accounts, he was clearly a fearsome, artistic, cultured, and multi-talented man. Thanks for watching today. Please subscribe to my channel if you like it. Please thumbs up. See you next time.